Yo, what's up, guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we are reacting to Eurovision 2025. This is the first semifinal, and it's from Ukraine. So, representing Ukraine, this is Ziferblat singing Bird of Prey. Prey with an A this time, not with an E like it was initially. So, let's check this out, guys. Eurovision 2025, Ukraine. Hi, Trond. Nice. It's an interesting filter they have here. I thought it was the quality, but it's not. It's actually a filter. It kind of gives it a dreamy feel to it, doesn't it? It feels like we're in a dream. Yeah. This reminds me like so much of like Frozen. Oh, that's a nice overall, I would say. Nice. Got some fireworks going on. Nice magic trick.
Thank you, Europe, for your support. Thank you.
Lilitrix gifted 1 subscriptions to the community.
Thank you so much, Lilitrix. Thank you so much, Trond.
So much.
Thank you so much for the gifted. Guys, we're live here on Twitch and you guys can join and, talk to us and, interact. Thank you so much. That is so awesome. Thank you. Guys, here we go. Ziferblat, Birds of Prey. I think it was a very it's a variety of genres here. It is a kind of a mix of genres, which is actually pretty interesting. If you if you let it marinate, it feels like it's I don't know how to explain this, but it feels like it's a song that would be so popular in the early 2000s, but at the same time it feels like it would still be popular today. It has kind of, I don't know, you know, is it Mika, the name of that singer that I'm thinking of right now? Kind of has that feel to it as well. And everything in this performance, it takes you back to some peculiar time, you know? It's interesting. It's very interesting what they did there. And great vocals also. Unfortunately, the subtitles were not working, but I feel like there is a good message there because Ukraine every time comes to Eurovision with a very powerful message. So if anybody can help me out in the comments, that would be great. But yeah, they're in the finals now. So congratulations to Ukraine. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you want to request a video, go over to Buy Me a Coffee, click over here, or click over here to see my Eurovision playlist. Take care. Bye-bye.